blessings, my love, grand rising, grand day, golden rising, rich rising, infinite rising. Wherever you are in this lovely universe, thank you for tuning into my channel, House of Black Obsidian. I am your lovely hostess, the High Priestess Oracle, the Oracle High Priestess Oya Ajay. I'm going to do readings for Cancers, and that could be for Sun, Moon, Rising, and or Venus, or wherever you have Cancer in your chart, or maybe you don't have Cancer in your chart and you're cross-watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment or two if the video resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate, no worries. Put on the table, push it back out into the universe. For another Cancer who needs the message. All right, I am reading from the Metaphysical Cannabis Oracle deck and my Pop Tarot. These are two new decks that I've got. Yeah, so Cancers, you had for the Oracle card Iraro, which is restoration. And then you had the Magician card, the Three of Pipes, which is the Three of Swords, and then the King of Pipes, which is the King of Swords or the King of Knives in regular deck. So if you aren't already, you need to go through a restoration, a cleansing process. Tap into the depths of your water energy, okay, and do some cleansing and healing. Okay, you need to do some deep emotional cleansing and healing or whatever. Tap into the magic thereof is what I heard. It's not going to be an easy process because you're going to be releasing. So it could be heartbreaking of some people, places, and things that you need to let go in this time in order to truly tap into your magic and fully restore your energy for what's to come. This King of Pipes is a sign of you being ready to step into a leadership role, and your truth seeking and truth telling is paying off. Also, when you step into that leadership role, while staying true to yourself, being fair in your perspective when dealing with other people. I just heard don't be so judgmental. Because in some instances, like the pot calling the kettle black. So this restoration and reflection process is going to allow you to see things that you judge other people of doing. You're going to get a reflection. And a wake-up call of what you need to do to restore your energy and cleanse your energy in order to truly step into this space. Iraro, the energy of water has memory and connects you to the unified field where the whole of source resides. We all come from creative energy, and within that energy is where you can find freedom. Behind him is a hemp stalk and the Nigerian Ibadan, which I'm assuming is this bird right here. Irawo is a card of healing for both inner and outer purposes, which will alter as you go through the changes you encounter. The stars have always provided us with the infinite perspective and sense of possibility. Irawo reminds you that your ancestors lived so that you would not have to ask permission to exist. Thousands had love before you in order for you to be here. Conjure that feeling of having an overflowing vase and pour yourself a sense of relief. It has already happened. So if this card is in your spread, it says ask yourself, are you showing gratitude every day? Do you believe it will work out for you at the end? And do you believe in blessings? I just heard it's time for you to come up out of this stagnant energy, Cancer. All right. That completes my messages for my Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and or Venus, or wherever you have Cancer in your chart, or maybe you don't have Cancer in your chart and you're cross watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment or two if the video resonates with you. If the video doesn't resonate, no worries. Put it on the table or push it back out into the universe for another Cancer who needs the message. Have an amazing day and Ashe.